Welcome to the PC Error Detective. Today, we're diving into how to create a network shared folder on Windows 10. If you find our content helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for tech tips and tricks. Let's get started. First, open Windows Explorer by clicking on the folder icon on your taskbar or pressing the Windows key +C. Next, click on this PC to view all your drives and connected devices. Now, click on your C drive, where we'll be creating the new folder. Right-click in an empty space, select New, and then choose Folder. Give your new folder a name that's easy to recognize because this is the name others will see on the network. After naming it, right-click on the folder and select Properties. In the Properties window, navigate to the Sharing tab and click on the Share button. A new window will pop up, showing your user account. Click on the Share button again to enable network sharing for this folder. Once you press Done, your folder is now shared with the network. Don't forget to write down your network path shown in the Properties window. You'll need this to access the folder from other computers. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.